Why the 4Life MLM business is hard. Hi there and welcome to my review of the 4Life multi-level marketing business. So you might have been confronted by somebody, you might have bought one of the 4Life products and you're thinking of signing up to the 4Life business, but you're not sure if it's the right business for you. You are in the right place because today there's really only two things that you need to know about the 4Life business to help you make an informed decision, and I'm going to cover that in this video. So before we get started, I'd just like to introduce myself. My name is Rupesh, and if you haven't been to my channel before, this channel is all about helping you to find the best ways to making money online. So if you like to learn on how you can get started, feel free to check out my number one recommendation just by clicking on the link that is in the video description. Right, so here we are at my website. It's called rupeshgovan.com. So I've written a blog post review on 4Life MLM, and I'm going to share with you some of the most important points from this blog post for this video review. So what exactly is 4Life all about? Now, it's a direct sales company, and that means that the company relies on their associates or their distributors to market the products to the public. So they don't directly advertise the products to the public, and in return, the directors or the associates, they earn their share of the money by earning retail profits and or from sales that people within their downline make. Now, with most multi-level marketing companies, you will find that the products are different compared to the conventional products that are out there. And now in this case, it's within the health and wellness niche, and the owners of the company, who are David and Bianca Lisenby, they started the company back in 1998. Now, they developed these products with a different sort of technology called the 4Life Factor Science. And David, when he developed these unique formulation products, he tested it out first on some close family members, and he got some amazing benefits with his products. And as a result, the company expanded into 25 markets. As we speak, it's backed up by a research and development team. So let's take a quick look at some of these products. Now remember, since they are focused within the health niche, it can be quite competitive for you. So you need to look at two things. First of all, are the products going to be easy for you to sell if you want to make money with this business venture? And the second thing you need to look at is a pay plan friendly for somebody like you who's starting off in the multi-level marketing business. Now, first thing is the products. They are but pricey. For instance, the gold factor is $198. In fact, you can take a look at all the other products on their website, but they cover a range of health conditions. They have skincare products, immune system boosters, eye supplements, detox formulas, and so forth, and various dosage forms, creams, capsules, liquids, sachets. And like I said, they cover products that can help for almost any health condition. And here's just a screenshot of the different conditions where if you want to just find out what you can use for a particular condition, you can just use a table and they'll show you the products that they recommend. Now, like I said, the products are made slightly different compared to your conventional products, right? It's made with their proprietary 4Life transfer factor science. Now, according to the official website, these products they work in such a way where they educate your cells and then they support your immune system's ability to recognize, respond, and to remember the potential threats. So it's great that they have this different technology incorporated, but the positive part is, can you really use it in your marketing campaign? And this really depends on where you are in your business. If you are able to speak to people and if you are able to come across as sales and understand the products, then you can do it fine. But if you can't, this can pose a challenge when it comes to building your 4Life multi-level marketing business. You know, there are lots of people out there, and I'm sure you know somebody right now at this very moment. They are accustomed to taking their vitamin supplements, and it's very hard to get them to change because in their mind they already feel that this product works for them. But if you can get them to switch over, then it's all great for you. And also consider, like I said, that the products can be expensive. For instance, I've given an example on my website. The prebiotics will cost you about $51 for a 15-day supply, and then for a 30-day conventional brand, commercial brand, that will cost you $20. So I mean, people also look at their pockets these days before they go in and buy products. Remember also something else, that these sort of products, just like your normal vitamins in your pharmacies or health stores, they're not approved by the Food and Drug Administration. And I picked up this one comment that was on YouTube. It says, someone please answer me, is it okay to take this? I've got my heart valve damage, rheumatic heart disease. And then somebody replied, yes, you can take this product for twice daily. Now, I just put this as an example because, as you know, heart conditions and it are quite serious conditions. And if this person replied that you can take it, right, you do not know the background of certain people, and you need to tell them first to consult the doctor before they decide to take these products. Now, there's no telling what kind of side effects one can experience from taking this. And the point that I'm trying to say is that you need to think of the customer's health first before making that sale. And if you're going to start a 4Life Health business, you need to bear this in mind, that I know you want to make a sale, but you need to first make sure that you give the good advice before you make that sale. So that's one of the challenges that you can face when you're building your 4Life multi-level marketing business. Okay, so now you crossed that hurdle and you say to yourself, okay, I can sell these health products. Now, the second thing, or the second most important challenge that you're going to have to face, is you have to look at the compensation plan, how easy it is to make money with the 4Life business. Now, the compensation plan, like most other multi-level marketing companies, can be complicated. The first way you can earn is by retail profits, and that is simply where people can visit your online store. They can either order directly from you, or they can go to your online store, and then each of the products that carry LP or life points, you earn a 25% commission on the LP of your first order or preferred customers that purchase from your online store. This is where you can earn what is called rapid rewards. The other ways that you can earn is by building your team or your downline. Now, this is where you have to focus on getting people to join the company. And they have what is called a builder bonus. And this is where you have 3 affiliates who join your team. And if they like you, you maintain 1,000 life points per month, then you can get an $800 bonus. Then the other way is via team ranking. This is as you recruit more people, then you ascend the ranks within the company, and then you can earn more commissions. So these are the levels: the associate, builder, builder elite, diamond, diamond elite. You can also earn team commissions as you progress through the various company ranks. Then they have an infinity payout that can pay multiple levels at each generation. You get bonus pools where you earn shares in the company, and you can also qualify for incentive trips. Now that I've just summarized for you the compensation plan right now. It sounds easy. Oh, is it easy? Let me show you how well companies performed last year. So this year is an income disclosure. Now, if you are ever looking at signing up to a multi-level marketing company, try to look for the income disclosure report or statement, because this statement will give you an overall picture of how well the members are performing. Now, it shows in this diagram that over half of the 4Life distributors did not go further than the first level, which is the associate level. So this over here is the associate level, and as you can see, the percentage of affiliates who earned a commission were 54.6%, and then less than 1% made the higher ranks within the company. So as you can see, the gold, the platinum, platinum elite, and that's less than 1%. But look how high the commissions are there: 478,000 and 1 million, 1.9 million. So as you can see, majority of the members within this association have not progressed further than the first level and are making less of the commissions. So that is something that you need to also bear in mind. So is 4Life a pyramid scheme? Now, according to Wikipedia, a pyramid scheme is a scheme that compensates its members via the promise of enrolling others into the scheme without supplying investments or the sale of products. Now, 4Life is not a pyramid scheme because the company is not just paying you just to recruit people. There are products that they have, and they will only pay you once there are sales of products, either in your personal capacity or within your organization. Let's take a look at some of the pros of 4Life. Now, one of the main ones is that they have owner transparency. The other thing is that they're within a popular niche and they are located in many countries. So you can build yourself a global business with 4Life. Some of the cons of 4Life is, of course, the products are expensive. You also need to maintain an authorship, or you need to commit to monthly payments for products in order to receive ongoing commissions or to qualify for the compensation plan. They have a very complex compensation plan. As you have seen from the income disclosure also, you have to focus on recruiting, in other words, building your team if you want to earn the higher paychecks. Okay, so lastly, just to summarize the two factors that I told you in the beginning of the video that you need to take into consideration is, of course, the price of the products. To get started, you need to purchase a starter pack, and that is $185. That is just for the starter pack. Remember, if you want to earn commissions from your download, then you have to commit to regular product purchases to maintain that 100 LP. As I showed you also, if you want to earn the higher paychecks, then you need to focus on recruiting people, and then once you've got them in your downline, your job is to motivate them to do the same. So if you have sales, marketing experience, and if you have the budget to do this sort of business, then perhaps the 4Life business is for you. But as I said in the headline of this video, that 4Life business is not an easy business model to do, and now you know why. And that concludes my review of the 4Life MLM business. I hope that this review has helped you out. You got a much more clearer picture of what it means to get into the MLM business and what it is that you need to do to become a success, and what you need to look out for to see how the other members are performing in the business. If the multi-level marketing business is not for you, then it's not the end of the world. You feel free to check out my #1 recommendation, where you don't have to do any recruiting. You can build a business on something that you are passionate about, and you don't have to spend any money on purchasing any inventory. You're more than welcome to click on the link that is in the video description to check out my #1 recommendation to starting your very own online business. Having said that, thanks so much for joining me today. I'm looking very forward to joining you in my next video. So please go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that we can see each other then. Wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.